Hi, it's Babs from Babs Tips here. Today I'm ironing a net curtain and it's folded into four. So normally when you iron the first bit, that's fine, it all stays together. But as you start bringing it down, it separates. So it's not staying as a square. See, like I've just put it up and it's separated again. So make it all nice and even. I'm initially going to just hold it, be very careful of your iron and the steam. So ironing the top part, so that's nice and crease free. Now just your ordinary household pegs and peg all the way across. So as you're ironing and you're lifting it up and it's not coming out of sync underneath, so you get nice creases down each side. And this is great when you've got a tablecloth or your quilt cover. It just keeps it into place while you're ironing, so job's a good one. So another tip from Babs Neck. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe at the bottom down below. I've got lots of other videos on YouTube. Great to be assistant. Thank you. Bye.